This video is going to be a review of the JANBOTEK Car Air Purifier. It's an ionic air cleaner. It's an ionizer. It also has 2 USB ports for charging. This is what it looks like. There are your charging ports. This plugs into your cigarette lighter, and this is where the ionization takes place. Now, ionization's been around for decades. It kills harmful bacteria, gets rid of bad odors, cigarette smoke, pet odors, makes your house and your car smell fresh, and makes the air feel clean, smell clean. When you go down to the ocean and you get that great feeling when you are by the water and you just feel a lot of energy and you feel good, that's because the ionization in the air from the water. I'm going to go out to the car now and plug this in. There's not really much to show you. As I said, this plugs into your cigarette lighter. We have 2 ports for charging a USB item. And this is the area, it's covered up right now, where the ionization takes place. And you just plug it into your cigarette lighter and drive, and you'll have nice fresh air. It creates negative ions for the ozone, and it's a great product. So let me go out to the car now and show you what this is all about. There's the ionizer plugged into the cigarette lighter. No filters to replace, no maintenance, no cleaning required. Just nice, clean, fresh air in your vehicle to get rid of pet odors, smoking odors, and automobile odors. You can get this on Amazon. Made by JANBOTEK. And that completes my review of the JANBOTEK Car Air Purifier. As I said, it's an ionic air cleaner. It's an ionizer, 2 USB ports for charging, removes smoke, bad smell, and odors from your vehicle. It comes in black and white.